So kanina, I made a review about the DKNY women perfume. If you want to check it out, just go to my YouTube channel and you can browse it there. But this time I want to make a review on one of the I guess popular perfumes from a luxury brand. Is the Versace um that one, the Dylan Purple perfume. So, I'm sorry if hindi siya masyadong klaro. Pero yun. Ano to siya, 10 ml lang to. Hindi ito yung malaking bottle niya. So, as what I've said on my previous video, I like to test the perfume first before I buy the big one, the big bottle. So, yan. Baka, paano ba yan? Klaro na ba? Yan. Ito yung ano niya, 10 ml, the smallest version. So this time, I bought this at Sephora. I think it cost me like $28. Yeah, I think it was $28, 27, $28. So medyo mahal siya. And just for a 10 ml perfume, it's expensive. Pero talagang na-intriga ako nito kasi uh, hindi ako nagwa-watch ng PBB, pero yun nga, whenever I scroll my Facebook, I would see clips of the PBB Gen Z. I think that was Gen Z batch, yung sina Fiang, sina JM, Jazz, ganun. Tapos sabi nila ito daw yung perfume ni Fiang. And they said that Fiang really smells good, and that the housemates also try to spray this one like for themselves kasi mabango daw talaga si Fiang when she wears this. So, honest review, straight to the point, mabango talaga siya, guys. Sobrang bango niya, pero I'm telling you, hindi, kung doon sa DKNY review ko na perfume is nadismaya ako kasi it takes a lot for the other people to notice. Ito, guys, grabe, nag-spray na ako ng marami. Walang talagang, ewan ko ba, sa sobrang gentle ng smell niya, hindi siya nanonotice talaga, guys. Even me, like the moment I spray it on myself, like I can smell it. Pero like few minutes after, nawawala siya. Yun yung cons niya. I really expected more from this brand because it's a luxury brand, pero so it's really true na it doesn't mean that it's expensive. Talagang top quality. So mabango talaga siya. Yun nga lang, I wouldn't recommend it for special occasions, and siguro kung pang bahay siya and you have a husband that you wanna, seduce or something, ito. Kasi siya, one time kasi, I sprayed this one when I was at home and my husband was around. At first, hindi niya na-notice. But when he got close to me, nasa smell niya. Like, literally, guys, my husband has to smell my neck for him to notice it. So, sabi niya talaga, mabango daw talaga yung perfume. So, it's just, hindi lang talaga siya maamoy sa people around you. So, if you want to get noticed by someone, if you're expecting a compliment from somebody about this product, I don't know. Kasi for me, kahit na nag-spray na ako ng marami, kasi I wore this during the New Year, at talagang halos iligo ko na siya sa perfume ko. Sa